Tear off a piece of toilet paper that is 7 squares in length. Then, fold the toilet paper under itself on each end, like this. You can adjust the folds so there's about half a square extending out from under the center on each side. It should be symmetrical. And there should be no more than a 1-inch gap between the two middle folds on the back. It's also okay if you have no gap on the back at all. Unroll 2 more squares, then tear the second perforation on each side so that only 1 inch at the center connects the 2 sheets to the rest of the roll, like this. Flip over, then fold each edge inward until it reaches the point of the tear, creasing firmly on each side, and making sure the 2 edges are parallel, like this. Then you'll gather and pinch the first length of toilet paper at the center to form it into a bow, and center it on the narrow 2-square segment and roll it up into the toilet paper roll. Press and pinch the center point to hold it in place. Make sure you place the bow high enough on the roll so it doesn't unravel. All done! It's beautiful! Where are you going to leave your toilet paper origami bow? Thanks for joining me today to make a toilet paper origami bow. Comment below with where you're leaving your toilet paper origami. I'd love to hear about it. Click subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.